Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the most futuristic flagship is now live. The new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra hands-on leak highlights design changes from its predecessor. Notable leaker Ice Universe shared some hands-on photos of the Galaxy S25 Ultra dummy model. It's seemingly for case manufacturers, and these hands-on images show the design differences from the predecessor. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Prominent leaker Ice Universe showcased some hands-on images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra dummy model. This model is seemingly intended for the case manufacturers, and these dummy models usually represent the actual device. As the pictures suggest, the upcoming Samsung Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship will sport rounded corners, something that past reports have hinted at. Ice Universe notes that One UI 7 will shine with rounded corners, as the right-angle design of the S24 Ultra can't show the beauty of its animations. In a separate post on X, the leaker adds that with rounded corners, the R angle of the screen animation will be consistent throughout the user interface, while the right-angle corners of the S24 Ultra make it inconsistent. Besides that, rounded corners usually offer a better hand feel, and as the leaker notes, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is seemingly slightly larger than the S24 Plus. For reference, the Galaxy S24 Plus comes with a 6.7-inch screen, while the S24 Ultra sports a 6.8-inch display. Previously, Ice Universe reported that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will sport a 6.86-inch, which will feel noticeably larger than the predecessor thanks to its slimmer bezels. Past reports have also hinted that the upcoming top-end flagship will be lighter, coming in at 219 grams instead of 232 grams of the predecessor. Beyond the design, the back of the dummy model has the same camera configuration as the S24 Ultra. Also, while the leaked renders from OnLeak suggest that the camera rings will look similar to those of the Z Fold 6, the new hands-on images indicate that the rings will remain the same as the predecessor. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a sleek design, a titanium frame, a 200MP camera, a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and vibrant color options. Leaked images of dummy units hint at potential color choices that include titanium black, gray, and silver. Additionally, Samsung may offer exclusive online colors, such as jade green and pink gold, as they did with the Galaxy S24 Ultra this year. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 line will officially launch early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.